So now we can do touch index.js, and this is creating a JavaScript file, and I can go inside it with Vim by typing vi index.js, and here I am. So what is a variable? A variable is nothing else than a container where you declare it with a name. So let's say let I equals, you choose this container and you call it I, and you put inside of this container a number, for example 5, and the semicolon you always do it a line in JavaScript. So here we can see when we do console.log I, which is printing out this variable, and we leave and we run node on index.js, we see it is 5. So this is like the basics. Let is that you can redeclare it, so we can say now I equals 10, and then if we run this command again, type right, it is 10. And then there's also another declaration which is const, let's say const j equals 20, and now we want to redeclare it j equals 12, and then we log this out, and then we run it again, and there we see it. Assignment is constant variable. So that means const, you can never change it. Like there's no way. And for functions, for example, when you do functions, use const, and variables which are important and you will never use it again or manipulate it. So now we are always using numbers here, which you can see. Let I type number, then there is let string, again the string is just the name of the container, and then we do this here in the finds, and you see it is a string. Then there is also let bool equals true, which is a boolean. Boolean can be true or false, and that's, then you have let array. Here you can see you have a list inside it of numbers. You can't do like 1, then a string, and then 3, 4, 5. And then you have an object where you have this name, the key, and John is the value. And you see here you can have like a string and a number because they're not related to each other. And you can also see the type of it, name string, age number. And here's like an array of numbers. Okay, and next we are going to see what we can do with functions JavaScript. Stay tuned.